Are you looking for the best marble run? In this video, we will look at some of the top marble runs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, we have the Marble Genius Marble Run. This Marble Run superset contains 150 pieces made up of 85 usable building pieces and 65 standard-size glass marbles. The building pieces have 19 different styles. They are made of solid plastic and they fit together securely. All of the building pieces are completely see-through so children can watch the marbles as they travel through the Marble Run. Included in the building pieces are 26 exciting action pieces in 12 distinct varieties. The set contains 8 solid bases. 3 of the bases are large marble catchers. These catch bases have a surface area that is 75% larger than most competing brands. The enlarged bases make the Marble Genius Marble Run more sturdy and stable than others. This Marble Run comes with free access to the Marble Genius application, which is compatible with both iOS and Android. The app gives step-by-step instructions on how to build 9 unique projects with 4 different skill levels. It also includes 12 fun challenges and features regularly updated content. At number 2, we have the Joyin Marble Run. This Marble Run set contains 196 pieces, comprising of 156 building pieces and 40 glass marbles. The building pieces come in 15 unique styles and are made up of plenty of action pieces, translucent track pieces, and 12 marble catch bases. The large number of bases gives this compact Marble Run a stable foundation. This Marble Run has been created with professionally designed molds. The building pieces clip together securely to ensure that the tracks are sturdy. Children can learn about the principles of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics while playing with this STEM Marble Run set. The Joyin Marble Run set is 100% non-toxic and is safety test approved to meet US safety standards. This is an affordable set that comes with detailed instructions for assembly. At number 3, we have the Meland Marble Run. The Meland Marble Run is a 122-piece set that comprises 9 different types of building pieces and 20 glass marbles. The set contains 102 translucent building pieces made up of 55 pipeline connectors, 3 caps, 5 centrifugal funnels, 4 windmills, 18 base pieces, and 17 slides with various designs. The building pieces come in 10 different varieties to allow the set to be assembled in many ways. There are 5 roulette pieces and 3 staircase runways to make the marble's trajectory more interesting. The 18 base pieces can be connected as per the instructions to create 12 individual bases. The 12 bases provide the Marble Run with ample support and keep the track steady. This Marble Run set is made of non-toxic ABS material. It is BPA safe, lead safe, and free from harmful phthalates. The Meland Marble Run track is ASTM certified. It has smooth edges to ensure the children's safety. At number 4, we have the Gifts2U Marble Run. This Marble Run is a complete set that contains 130 pieces. The pieces in this set consist of 100 building pieces and 30 glass marbles. The building pieces are made from solid, high-quality plastic. They are easy to connect and are designed to fit together and stay together. This makes the set user-friendly even for younger children. Children can create sturdy track structures that won't fall apart when they're in use. The set contains a wide variety of building pieces, including 52 pipeline connectors, 10 base bottoms, and plenty of merry-go-rounds, S-curves, U-turn slides, and windmills. These interesting components allow the Marble Run to be built with numerous track designs. The components and building pieces in the Gifts2U Marble Run set are translucent. This budget-friendly set lets children watch as the marbles traverse the track while enjoying all the spins, twists, and turns that the marbles take. At number 5, we have the PicassoTiles Magnetic Marble Run. This Magnetic Marble Run set contains 6 marbles and 154 magnetic building pieces. The magnetic building pieces consist of pipeline connectors and other connectors that come in different geometric shapes and colors. The set includes columns, slopes, slides, U-turns, and funnels. The pieces connect together intuitively to promote motor skills and STEM learning, which consists of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics development. The translucent pieces allow children to keep their eyes on the marbles as they go from the top of the tracks to the bottom. The PicassoTiles Magnetic Marble Run set is non-toxic, BPA-free, and lead-free. The blocks are child product certified and CPSC accredited to ensure quality and safety. This premium set is compatible with other PicassoTiles building sets and can be integrated with add-on pieces such as character figures, vehicles, carnival wheels, buildings, alphanumeric blocks, and the racetrack's expansion packs. So that sums up the top marble runs. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.